This is for all of you who have had any trouble sleeping. A lot of times, what happens is we are absorbing a lot of energy of the world. We are many times feeling a lot of thoughts, feelings, emotions which doesn't let us sleep. And hence I decided to put across this quick audio to make you all relax as you drop in your heart centers and connect to your deep self. So take this moment and be in a position where you won't be disturbed. You can just listen to this meditation right before you sleep. Sometimes I also suggest a few things in addition to this meditation, what you could be doing to make sure you sleep well. And what I do is, after 9:30 p.m., I switch off all my devices. I keep my phones in a separate room if possible. I don't read messages. I don't watch news. I don't read newspapers. I read something soothing like a beautiful healing book. I also don't talk to friends or anyone after a particular time. I only spend time with my family. It's very important to create a nice night routine before you sleep, because this night routine grounds you and takes you in your body so that any disturbing thoughts don't affect you. So the first rule of a good sleep is don't read news, don't watch news, don't talk to friends, don't talk to anyone. Keep your WhatsApp, Facebook, all these applications shut after 9:30 p.m. max. And if you wish to read something on your tab or on your phone, make sure your phone is on airplane mode. I have also started telling all my friends and distant family and all of them that after 9:30 p.m. I will not be taking any phone calls. My last client call to is before 9 p.m. Of course, unless the client is from a totally different geographic zone. So the second rule is make sure you brush your teeth. Maybe some people have a habit of drinking warm milk. I make this habit of drinking nice warm turmeric milk before I sleep. I don't put any sugar in it because sugar is something which takes you on a high and you may have problems sleeping. Also, if you're having too much caffeine, make sure you don't have it post 6 p.m. So just before you sleep, maybe you can have a glass of warm milk with some turmeric, and post that, don't forget to brush your teeth, probably wash your face. It's very also important to wash your feet before you sleep. Many times I use salt water to wash my feet before I sleep, because it takes away all the negative energy and excess energy which I have absorbed from anyone away. If you have any medical conditions which require you to consume less salt, you may skip this step, but you can gently wash your feet in water before you sleep, and maybe as you sit on the bed, apply some nice cream or moisturizer on your feet. It relaxes and grounds you further. Make sure your bed is freshly made and that you're warm enough, cold enough. The air conditioner is not too cold nor it's too hot outside. So, make sure you are at the right temperature. Now take a few deep breaths. Think of the god, goddess, deity you believe in. Close your eyes. I'm sure if you have children, it's very important to make sure they sleep before you, and as challenging as it may be, If you have a child who is very hyperactive, you can even tell them to pray along with you. And also inculcate these values in them, to tell them that before you sleep, if you talk to God, God will give you everything. And when you say that, children make a different connection with God. It doesn't matter what religious background you are from, or whether you are non-religious, whether you are spiritual, it doesn't matter. So close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, make sure you center in your heart space. By saying I center in my heart space, I stop thinking from my head and I drop my shoulders down and I connect to my heart center. You can simply say, dear God, Goddess, Universe, or if you believe in angels, archangels, or whoever you believe in, think of them for a minute. I ask you to be here. And I ask you for your divine intervention before I go to sleep. I ask you to help me rest well, sleep well, and wake up in the morning fresh and energized. I surrender all my worries and concerns to you, knowing that what I desire, you are aware of, and you are bringing it to me in the divine timing, in the divine order. I trust you and I surrender that everything that I desire is coming to me. I surrender all my worries and concerns to you. I know that I am always loved and I am always safe in your love and care. And now as I retreat into this beautiful deep slumber, please heal my body, mind, soul, my physical body, my emotional body, my mental body, and my spiritual body. Take care of my loved ones. I know you are watching over all of us. And I allow you to let me be enveloped in your love. Take a deep breath and surrender all the worries to God. You may gently start relaxing every inch of your body, beginning from the tip of your toes. You could lie down as you listen to this. Allow yourself to get completely relaxed right from the tip of your toes to the top of your head. Ask God to take charge of you and send you His healing light. Know that the universe, God, always has your back and always loves you. As you listen to this, your breath deepens and you feel totally relaxed. This is Ashwini Chube. We are listening to the deep meditation. I now let you get into your own beautiful healing zone, and I pray to Almighty Lord that you feel relaxed and wake up in the morning with a recharged, new, beautiful day. I'm sending you loads of love and light with this meditation. Thank you.